Hi, how is it going? In this wonderful morning, I would like to talk about collocations. I think they are extremely vital and essential if we want to communicate in a clear way. So, collocations are word combinations that frequently occur together in a language, creating a natural and often more idiomatic way of speaking and writing. They are like the default settings for words, and using them makes your English sound more natural and fluent. So the definition for this one is that we can understand a collocation as a group of two or more words that are commonly used together. These combinations sound right to native speakers and are often more idiomatic than simply putting words together grammatically. We have an example. It could be heavy rain, so it is a collocation. I think collocations are important because when you have the opportunity to use collocations, you can make your speech and writing sound more natural and less like a literal translation. Learning collocations can help you learn more words and phrases at once, expanding your vocabulary and expression. On the other hand, using the right collocations can avoid awkward or confusing language and make your message clearer. Using collocations correctly helps you avoid making common errors in word choice. So we have some examples right here, so we can check them. So the first one is go. You can say go shopping, go home, or go dancing. So you can see that we have the verb go with more words, usually one more. Go shopping, go home, and go dancing. The other one is go for a walk, go for a swim, or go for a run. The next one is go on a date, go on a vacation, or go on a cruise. Next, we have this one, go to church, go to school, or go to bed. The next one is go to a party, go to a show, go to a bar. And the last one is go to the toilet, go to the hospital, or go to the cinema. So the only thing that you should do is to add the personal pronoun right here. You can say, I go shopping every day. You go on a date, or you go on a vacation every year. So this is the way to use these collocations, and these are some examples of English collocations. So I hope this information would be meaningful and useful for improving your English. So it is all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.